standing in the stall of Abigail Enterprises, who is exhibiting at Asia Coats and Ink Show.
Abigail Enterprises was formed in the year 1993. We were into manufacturing of machines for paint. Slowly we expanded our facilities and we started manufacturing for ink, for pharmaceuticals, for any process equipments which were there. After a long journey of 30 years, we are doing turnkey projects on different products. It's depending upon powder handling systems, liquid transfers, complete automatic plant for any industry who wants to get in touch with us.
Would you like to tell us more, like the products, whatever you are exhibiting over here?
Machines that we are displaying here is basic for mixing of paints, of pastings, liquid inks, because this is a show for inks. So we have brought in all the machines which are for the manufacturing of inks. And we have dyno mills, basket mills, high-speed dissolvers, lab dia mills, laboratory mills, twin shaft butterfly mixer, and a coaxial mixer. And we have many other products which we have not displayed here.
And which are the industries specifically you are focusing upon?
We are focusing on paints, printing inks, admixtures, pharmaceuticals, stationery, cosmetics, and any industry that requires grinding and dispersion. We are the specialists in it. Basically, from 30 years, we have been making in India only.
Yeah.
And all our products have been made here. But the new campaigning, Make in India, I don't know, it is for people who might be importing or people who are buying machines from other countries. And it is favorable because we will be selling more. People have the inclination to buy Indian machines. So we are the Make in India will really help us.